What's up, online shoppers? I am getting ready for a trip and I wanted to share with you this awesome set of toiletry containers that you can get that are travel friendly, that will allow you to take all your shower gels, shampoos, conditioners along with you without lugging all those big bottles. I love this so much, I actually had to order another one as a gift. So let's do an unboxing. An unbagging, really. Now it comes in a really nice clear silicone case. The feel of this case is awesome. I was honestly shocked when I opened it. I thought it was just like a regular plastic, but the case itself is actually a silicone, which is really neat. It's got this really nice slippery shape to it. And as well, another great thing, when you have things like this that you have to transport in your luggage, you definitely don't want leaks. Now these have been designed with preventing leaks in mind. However, this little case is honestly extra insurance. Now as well, when I open up the container, they send you labels. That's pretty cool. They've got labels on here for face cream, conditioner, body wash, hand wash, soft soap, you name it, they've come up with a label for you. Now there's so many different uses for these. You could use these for travel, obviously, but there's other great things you could use them for. You can use them to keep a small amount of your favorite shampoo in your gym bag without having to go out and buy another bottle. Great for gym bags, travel. Heck, you could even use these for your kids for sleepovers, and I love it. Let's look at the construction. So the outside of these is food grade silicone, but let's look at how this is put together. So you have this really nice snap lid like that, and to get the contents into your containers, you have this really nice wide neck for the bottle. Now this hard plastic lip is connected to the silicone bottom really firmly, so these don't disconnect. As well, you have the lid here that screws on, and you can see how nice this opening is for putting the contents in, so you wouldn't have trouble getting in your shampoo, your lotion. As well, I like the idea that it's a big enough opening that I can actually get a bottle brush down in here. So if I wanted to switch up what I had inside, I could clean this pretty easily. Might be hard to see this way, but I can probably show you when I have it in action. Another neat thing about this lid is it also has a gasket on the lid so that when you are squeezing things out, watch this, you see that? It's going to control the flow of creams, lotions, shampoos, hair gels out like that. It's a gasket that's going to help control those leaks. I really like that. A nice click and you know that your containers are closed. The colors are really cool too. You have the 4 different colors: blue, green, pink, and clear. And as I said before, these great little labels that you can put right on the outside of your container. If pastel's not really your thing, they also come in a really plain, simple black and white color combination. So that might be something that appeals to you too, but these are really nice. They say right on the container that they are carry-on approved, which means that this is something that you can buy and know that you're not going to be getting yourself into trouble by carrying a container that's too large. And especially when you're traveling and weight matters, you know, when they weigh your luggage and make you pay extra if you go over the designated weight amount on your luggage, this helps to keep everything manageable. I really like these little travel toiletry bottles from ValourGo, and the fact that they are TSA approved and really nice to touch, easy to clean, easy to fill. These have definitely been a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.